kind of forgot about this channel, but I definitely did not forget to grind for the Jaguar. Now I would say this is an honest review, but honestly it's just a video that I'm just making for fun, so I don't really put so much effort into it. Is just great. Now let's just do a few races with the Jaguar to see if I can drive with this car. Racing very clean, racing very clean. There's no way I'm getting up from that. Yep. Did I make a mess? Well, let's get circuit race rolling. Mr. Mistake Maker. I love lag. Me and Ibis can agree. I honestly don't know what to say anymore. Interesting happened in the rally, so I'll just be using this time to tell you why I disappeared off of YouTube for like a while. It's basically because I'm now starting to get into like the higher grades, so that means that my work is even more. So it's basically nothing I can do. It's just a problem that I'll have to try and deal with. Figure out myself.